Right then, now let me go into the main glass lifts in the middle of this shopping centre. These used to be some really nice cone M series, but they've now been replaced with stupid generic. These lifts do not run as efficiently. They now accelerate much slower than the original lift and are quite annoying, and these lifts are incredibly busy. There are not enough lifts here for a number of people going up to this car park. And when these lifts just go between two floors, they accelerate even slower than they do normally. And most of the time they literally go up, stop here every single floor, so they're just so busy. To get a nice ride in these lifts to myself, I actually had to wait until the shopping centre closed.
Lower mount doors open. Please mind the door. Going up. Closing. Going up. Upper mount door. Doors open. Going up. Level 4. Doors open. Keep mind the doors. Going down. Lower mount.
Right then, along we go to the service lift, which is an awesome cone M series. Let's ride it! So then along go into Watford, into the first shop in the shopping centre and into the lift there.
Doors opening. Level 1.
And now along go into the lift next to this one. This one goes one floor higher than the last one and also goes down to the staff-only basement, which, despite the fact I had the key, it refused to go down there. Stupid lift. now now along up into boots, and if you're guessing a lift vet is total shit, you are completely correct!
Lift going up.
And now I'll log up into John Lewis and into the glass lifts vet. Sadly these ones have been modernised since last time and a bit busy, but hey, it's Duhas panel now so I can make them go non-stop wherever I want them to go, including a staff only floor.
Going up. Please mind the doors. This lift is under service control. This lift is under service control. Going up. This lift is under service control. Floor 3. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Basement floor. Doors opening.
And now I'll log out into the main glass lifts in this shopping centre. These are some really nice Schindler M series which have sadly been modernised. They used to do intelligent levelling and now they just do ordinary levelling, which is just stupid. This is pretty much a downgrade. Although these lifts do open their doors before they've stopped, which does make up for the fact they don't do intelligent levelling, but it's still not as good, not as efficient. And these lifts are very busy, but at least I was able to get a non-stop ride with my Duhas key. Let's ride then!
Doors closing. Lower mom. Doors open.
And now into a tucked away Schindler M series lift. This lift is really awesome. DC pulse width modulation and intelligent levelling. Let's ride it! Now longer into the next lifts, which used to be some really nice Schindler M series, and these ones have also been modernised into stupid generics.
Closing. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing. Lower mom. Upper mom. Doors open.
And now coming out of this shopping centre, and it's quite interesting how all of the lifts around Watford have these nameplates above the doors saying what sort of lift it is. And this one here is an Express Evans. Well, you probably used to be a 60s lift before it was placed with Express Evans in the 90s. So then along go to a car park and the lifts there were not working. Once again, these lifts are Express Evans lifts, they probably used to be so old before I got replaced with Express Evans, and they're now no longer working, so they're about to be replaced yet again. So then, let's walk up the stairs, and up at the top floor is epilepsy lighting! Don't watch if you've got epilepsy, it's extremely flickery up here. So then, let's see if I can open up the lift doors, and it needs a long drop key. Bugger. And just as I was doing it, some weird guy came up. I'm not sure what he was doing, might be drugs, so I quickly go out of there, and along go to the next car park. And these ones are labelled on the nameplate as Express Evans Cone. For some reason, can't see any different to this Express Evans.
Doors opening. 5th floor.
And now along go into Primark, and the lift there is a stupid generic, and it has just an ordinary Juhas button for car preference. I'm not sure how it works, not sure if you press it to toggle it between on and off, whether you have to hold it and press the floor. It didn't seem to light up or do anything.